Welcome to Ramani Stories. Today, the expression I have got with me is Kumbhakarnuni Nidra. Kumbhakarnuni Nidra. We have the same expression in Hindi also. Kumbhkaran ki Nidra. Kumbhkaran ki Neend. And even in English also we have a similar expression called as Kumbhakarna's sleep. In this video, I want to share the story behind this Kumbhakarnuni Nidra. Kumbhkaran ki Neend. What is this story? And we can easily understand that this story is taken from our epic Ramayana. And Kumbhakaran is one of the supplementary character in Ramayana. He is Ravanasura's brother. And coming to Kumbhakaran, why do we say this Kumbhakaran Nidra, Kumbhakaran Neend, Kumbhakaran ki sleep? Why do we say all these expressions? Why do we use these expressions? Okay, this story about Kumbhakaran, it also is from our epic Ramayana. And you know that Kumbhakaran is one of the supplementary characters of our epic Ramayana, and he is one of the younger brothers of Ravanasura, the king of Lanka. And when Kumbhakaran was born, he was called as this giant souled demon. Why? This Kumbhakaran, he was born with a boon that whoever he is in his vicinity and whatever is there in front of him, he has the capacity to eat everything up, eat everyone up. So that was his veracity. That's how he used to eat everyone. That's how his hunger used to be. And people on the earth, all the creatures on the earth were threatened by his presence. Not only the human beings, not only the animals and birds, even the gods and Indra were threatened by his presence, says our epic. Then Indra and the other gods who were threatened by Kumbhakarna's presence, they went to Lord Brahma and prayed. Brahma, Lord Brahma, please look at this Kumbhakarna. He is threatening everyone. He is threatening the entire existence. You see, human beings are killed. You see, creatures are killed. And even we, the gods, are afraid of him. Please do something. He is killing everyone. He is eating everything up. He is so voracious. So Brahma said, okay, let me look into this matter. But when Brahma went to talk to Kumbhakarna, he understood the situation and he understood that he needs to control Kumbhakarna. So he gave a curse to Kumbhakarna that he is going to sleep for eternity, forever. He should be sleeping for eternity so that all the creatures will be preserved. Otherwise, he is going to eat and eat. But Ravanasura, Kumbhakarna's brother, he said, this is not fair, Lord Brahma. You didn't do properly because he is your great grandson, right? And he has the right for living as well. And how can you do this? Can you adjust your curse a little? So when Ravanasura asked and prayed Brahma to adjust the curse, Brahma thought for a while and he said, okay, let me adjust my curse. So instead of eternal sleep, Kumbhakarna will have 6 months of sleep and he will be awake for the next 6 months. That means in 1 year, half of the year he will be sleeping and the remaining half he will be awake and eating. Eventually, we all know that there was a battle between Rama and Ravanasura. And during that course of the battle, Ravanasura needed his brother Kumbhakarna's help. And you know, when Kumbhakarna is asleep, it means that he won't wake up for 6 months. So Ravanasura has to take the help of 1,000 elephants. All the trumpeting, drums, delicious food everywhere and everything. He did everything in his capacity to wake up Kumbhakarna. And Kumbhakarna finally woke up and eventually you know that he was killed by Rama in the battle. Whenever we see people who sleep for longer periods, without attending to their work and without eating properly, then we call these people sleep as कुंभकर्णुनी निद्रा. क्या आप कुंभकर्ण जैसे नींद क्यों है आपका? Like that we use different expressions. Even in English also, I think this expression today in our language, in English language also, we are using this expression Kumbhakarna's sleep. So whenever some person sleeps for longer periods, we say, why are you sleeping like Kumbhakarna? ఏంట్రా ఇది కుంభకర్ణుడి నిద్రలాగా, ये क्या है, ऐसा क्यों सो रहे कुंभकर्ण नींद जैसा. So this is how the expression gained its popularity. Hope you like this story, and this story is for one of the happy souls, Chutki. How was it? We'll be back with another video very soon.